Hello guys, welcome back to my channel NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to give you a step-by-step on how to hard reset or factory reset your LG G6. This particular device is with T-Mobile, and this tutorial should work on any similar devices from any other carrier. Now it's a very easy steps to do it. Follow it step by step, you won't have any issues. Let's start with the tutorial. What you'll need to do is you want to press the volume down key and the power key at the same time. As soon as the device comes on, you want to release and press again the power key. Let's start. So hold down the volume down, press the power. As soon as it comes on, release, then press again the power key. Keep doing it until you get to the screen. As soon as you get to the screen, you want to scroll down using the volume down key to yes. Then you want to press the power key to confirm. Once you do that, you'll get to the second screen, same thing, down to yes, and press the power. And start should erase everything on the device, as you see right here. Once it's done, everything is going to be wiped off the device. This is it guys, this concludes our tutorial for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.